we get a lot of people asking about the four-wheel drive Vtec conversions, and really there aren't that many of them around, except this one here. We've been tuning it for a customer that we're going to help sell it. All right. Well, there's a lot of stuff that's done right in here. Got a tilt column, wheel loop pedals. Got the harness. This is good. We have a key.
You want the key?
I could use the key. Yeah, give me the key. Hard to start without the key. Yeah, these seats are good too. The Recaro. I like it. They got the bolsters and everything are perfect. Use the key. This is your kind of four-wheel drive, like badass.